Lots of Thrashin parts, and we're gonna be bolting stuff on. It should be a good day. Floorboards, foot controls, some Thrashin T-bars, hand controls. It's gonna look nice.
Why'd you go?
And the parts look good, made in America, so I guess you can't go wrong there, huh?
That's right. So let's get to it. So Lance and Juan from Thrashin Supply we've been watching their YouTube channel, and they have us addicted on their parts.
Oh yeah. It's all going on
Thrashin.
We'll just start with the left one since we know it's here.
Nice. What's next,
Alright, see how it exposes the connections? Really?
Got some serious progress here. We got the stock bars off, got the wiring out. Getting the perch clamps off was a little tough, but we managed. So we're gonna go ahead and take these stock risers off and start working on our T-bar.
I think Juan and Lance make it look a lot easier.
Oh yeah. And so far getting these riser bolts out.
Yeah, for Lance and Juan, because
yeah, they need to add some. For me, the stock bars felt good angle-wise, but they were just a little too low. And this, from what I understand, raises it about 1.5 inches. I went with these PSRs because they've got a lot of adjustability. They're made in America, so you can adjust from a stock length to shorties if you want to bring it in. But also this can fine-tune the length from your
friction zone.
Let's see if we can do this. I'm thinking it looks good. We just need to make sure everything is in the right placement for my feet and my hands, and if it's good, we're gonna button it up, wipe it all down, and call it a good, job well done.
Okay.
So I think the hardest part for us was just kind of having to go through the trial and error process. The clutch was kind of a pain. And then, we don't have world-class garage here, so we had to make do with what we have. And we got it done, but between that and the risers, probably the toughest parts.
So
There's so many little pieces that you have to make sure are aligned perfectly. There's a spring you've got to switch over from the stock piece, and you got to make sure that's in correctly. And then you got the clips that go under this pin. So we got it done, but it was a little tough.
Mirrors.
Pretty much the entire arm and hand controls are swapped.
Yeah.
Same with foot controls. Foot controls are all different.
So I definitely think I don't know. I'm glad we started the bars first.
Yeah, same.
Even though and that
brake arm was tough.
That brake arm is a bear.
Yeah.
Rubber pin.
It's real tough to get in there.
Yeah.
Not a difficult.
Standing up.
Right.
I think if we were able,
raised.
I think if we had a lift, right, and I think it would be a lot easier.
Definitely.